With the hype of Barbenheimer, rightfully so, it can be easy to miss other movies that are also good and out in theaters. One such movie that I recommend to you is Theater Camp. Now, this is a movie, it's a mockumentary, and if you love stuff like Waiting for Guffman or Best in Show, then this will be up your alley, okay? Because it's a mockumentary about this summer theater camp that is run by this woman named Joan, and it's held together by the love of her and her crew and the kids that attend there who absolutely love it. However, this summer she goes in a coma, and so she can't run it. So who should step up but her son, who's kind of distanced from her. He doesn't understand the camp. He didn't, grow up with it necessarily. Didn't take a liking to it. He's more of a crypto kid and stuff like that. So what's he going to do with that? Now, luckily, he does, albeit begrudgingly, have the support of the rest of the counselors and so forth there to help him out. Now, of course, antics ensue. This was based off a short film done by Molly Gordon and Ben Platt. Molly Gordon is most recently, she was one of the cast members in The Bear Season 2. In fact, there's another Bear cast member in this, as well as one of my favorite comedians, Patti Harrison, who was in Together. Just great, actors all around that, you might recognize from other stuff, but aren't A-list or that just jump out at you immediately like a Brad Pitt, let's say, right? But the story is endearing, it's sweet, it's fun, and, I'm not necessarily, I didn't go to the theater camp, I didn't do theater productions, so as far as, the subject matter, it was outside my wheelhouse, and yet, the ease with which I was able to enter that world, have fun with it, right? We're laughing with them, not at them, sort of a thing. You can tell that it wears its heart on its sleeve, and it's just amazing. And much like actual theater camps like this, or just theater overall, not including necessarily Broadway, it's held together by the love and whatnot, and they turn cardboard into gold, and this movie manages to do that. So I really loved it. Again, I think if you love mockumentaries, even Monty Python style stuff, not necessarily that it goes that wacky, but I think somewhere along that humor, that improvisation, I think you will really enjoy this. So check it out. If and when you do, please let me know what you thought of it. I would love to hear. Thank you.